What is up, guys? Parker McCover out here today with the Service First crew. We're going to install a flagpole in Eagle Mountain, Utah for a law enforcement officer who has been making positive differences in their community. To receive this flagpole kit for your years of service in law enforcement. Would you mind telling us a little bit about that?
Yes. So I was a law enforcement officer for 10 years. I started off in the jail, the Salt Lake County Jail. I started as a civilian, did the paperwork, and then became an officer in the jail. Did that for a couple years, and then I went out to the road where I was a school resource officer. I worked patrol. And ultimately, I ended with being a detective, a major crimes detective.
Major crimes detective?
Yes, major crimes. So we did everything that encompassed, we did everything from homicides to normal assaults, anything with kids, child sex abuse cases, all of those in between.
That is a rough job to have.
Yeah.
We're thankful that you're doing it.
Thank you.
Could you tell us a little bit about why you chose that career field?
So it was when I was working in the jail. I obviously became part of that law enforcement family, and I became friends with some officers on the road, and they just kind of explained to me the difference, obviously, between the jail and the road. And I felt like going out and helping people out on the road, where it's not just in the jail and making sure they don't do anything to hurt one another, but you're going out and truly out there helping people in their time